It's Valentine's Day, and for most of us, an opportunity to express our love for the special person in our lives.
But for some of us, it's another day when we are walking on eggshells, anxious that we don't somehow upset our partner or close family member, and we are frightened of the abuse or violence this might lead to.
Last year, South Wales Police dealt with over 28,000 incidents of domestic abuse, violence or abuse inflicted by a partner or close family member.
If you are experiencing domestic abuse or are concerned about a family member or friend, please get help. For advice and support, please call the All Wales helpline on 0808 8010 800. The line is open 24/7 and completely confidential. To report domestic abuse, please call us on 101 or 999 if there is immediate risk of harm to you or someone you know. If you have been abusive or violent towards your partner or a close family member, support is available to help you stop. Call the Respect phone line on 0808 802 4040.